Hey, what's up? So, turns out that just buying the stove is not the last step. You have to actually hook it up for it to be a complete kitchen renovation. So this is a gas stove, and the range that we removed was electric. So today I'm going to be putting in a new gas line for this. So, if plumbing and working with the gas pipe is something that makes you nervous, then just call a professional. This is not meant to be a how-to. I'm not a professional. I'm just a homeowner, and I'm trying to figure it out as I go. So, step one, find the gas meter. Okay, here's the main shutoff, and we're going to turn that. We're going to go get a wrench to turn that. Alright, I'm shutting off the main gas shutoff to the house because I don't have a shutoff right where I need to. And that should be shut off, and you can see this if you didn't pay your bill or something like that. That's where they would lock it out, put a padlock right in there. The next step, I need to use up all the gas that's in the lines throughout the house. So I'm going to turn on the hot water because I got the tankless hot water.
Tankless hot water here, not tankless hot water tank.
So I'm going to use the hot water, and then when that is not hot anymore, then in theory all the gas should be out of the lines. So let's do that, and then as I'm waiting for this water to cool down, I'm going to open up all the windows in the basement to vent this area. I think that's just kind of a safety precaution. Makes sense to me. All right. Okay, and if some of you are wondering why I've got all the vents in my basement closed, wouldn't you want it to just vent anyway? Well, I shower in the basement, so I don't want people seeing me naked. All of the hot water is gone, so that means that this thing is not taking any more gas in because it's not creating any hot water. So, the process can be continued. So, what I'm going to do is right here is where I'm going to tap in. I'm going to bring it down and over and give the tankless unit a cleaned up gas pipe going to feed it, and then have another T coming off going this way, shooting to the other side of the basement, and that's going to come up for the stove. And then there'll be a proper clean out right here and shutoffs for both of those. So, watch. With an inexpensive gas detector, I'm checking one last time before I open up these pipes to make sure there is no gas seeping out. I thought that this part was a lot like an erector set. You were just kind of unscrewing the pipes and screwing in the new pieces. Use a little pipe dope in between the threads and you were all set. I double and triple checked when I was done to make sure that I didn't have any leaks with both that gas detector and with soap. I do apologize for both the sound and the shakiness in parts of this video. I was trying a new technique with the GoPro, and I think I'm going to have to upgrade some more equipment before it's going to work out the way I want it to. Okay, I apologize for the light situation in the basement here, but it's a basement. So what we're looking at here is this was a big long pipe that came down, you saw earlier, and I took that out and then put this in, put the shutoff right away. So that is the first shutoff for the gas itself coming this way. Here's the main line going that way. And so this is coming over, and right down in this area, right about here, was where this steel braided cable came in to hook up to the water heater. So I put two T's in here, one there, and this one is for the hot water tankless heat tank. Damn it! And then this one is going to be for the new stove hookup. So, and then I also put in here, right there. We've got a clean out. Next, I've got the it's stainless and then wrapped in this rubber coating. So we're going to run that up here, up there, and then drill the hole so it can go into where the stove's going to be. Okay, that little hole is the pilot hole that I drilled to see if I was in the right spot to put the hole for the gas tube. Done! Okay, gas is turned back on, and now I'm gonna check for leaks with some soap. It's alive! It works! Thank God! So this one had me a little bit nervous to start just because it is gas, and gas can explode and all that, but it wasn't too complicated once I really got down into the nuts and bolts of it. If you like this video, then give me a thumbs up down there. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. If you want to get notified, then you gotta hit that bell. This is Danny with Danny Foursquare. Thanks.